Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 16th, 2021. You guys probably clicked on this video because we want to figure out if this particular stock is the best penny stock going on into the market right now. We want to see that the price has been exploding. It's happening right now. The market here in ILUS International is in a upward trend. I wanted to come in. If you guys have seen any other videos, I want to give you a different perspective as to how to predict where the market is going to go and can we still expect ILUS to go up in price? Because if so, we want to be in position, right? We want to make sure that we are in position to capitalize on this massive move that ILUS has been doing over the 2021. All right. So if you guys want to tap in with me, hit me up, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. One thing we don't do here is we don't pump stocks. We don't try to give you a lot of excitement, FUD, FOMO. We're not here to persuade you. We're simply here to predict prices and see where price is going to go so that we can profit and win. So again, if you guys want to join the team, lock in, join us. All right, so let's talk about this real quick, because this market in ILUS International, right, has started its massive upward trend back in the beginning of this year. So look at how high this market in ILUS has gone since the beginning of this year, right? This market currently is up 1,711% from the close on January 27, 2021. 1,711%. That is massive. I mean, the stock was trading at 2 pennies in the beginning of the year. Nobody was paying attention to ILUS back in 2000, beginning of this year. They wasn't. And the market was able to hit that 18-cent price in February and again in March. And then we've been on a steep decline. Market came all the way back down to 4 cents in August. Did you catch that then? Probably not. And then since that time, the market in ILUS has started another fantastic trend back up to around 42 cents. Ultimate high for the rest of for this year has been around 45 cents, right? Cool. Now the question is, can we still see the market go up? We really want to address that today on this video, because you guys can tell that this is the trend. We're going to follow the market trend in ILUS. So this is the current trend that this market has gone through. We are still expecting this market to go up, but look how far away we are from that trend. We are so far away from this trend that we need to be prepared for the market to come down and test that trend, right? So in order for a timing aspect of when to come in and participate in this market, do you think it's right now where the market closed at 39 cents? Or do you think a better opportunity would be around 26 cents? Right? What will be the spot that we would need to come in and participate and play in ILUS? Let's take a look at the market on the 2-day time frame. Okay, because currently the market is getting hung up. Okay, it is. This is where the market is getting hung up at. This is where we're finding issues into the market in ILUS. So either one or two things is happening. Okay, you can only get two things to ever happen in the market. One of them is people will come in and buy the market. The second one is people are coming to the market and selling. Okay, now by us seeing this restriction into the market in ILUS right here, this is where the market doesn't have enough momentum to break above 42 cents, right? It doesn't. So until that time, this market in ILUS is either doing two things: buying. The market is either buying here below 42 cents, or they are selling because they're expecting the market to come all the way back down to that ascending line, right? So let's see what's going on the 3-day time frame. Okay, because currently you guys can tell that the strength into the market in ILUS is still there, but it hasn't been overwhelming to the point to where I can kind of see the market breaking out to the upside right now. Okay, so this is the 5-day time frame. Do you see that? Over the last 5-day price bar, the market in ILUS kind of gave us a mixed bag, right? We kind of closed right there in the middle of our spread over the last 5 days. We still got 2 days and 5 hours left, but by the time this bar completes, it'll be the beginning of the week. We start another 5-day price bar. So currently, this is the completion of this 5-day price bar. And look how we ended. We're right there in the middle, right where we started on this 5-day price bar. But this is very good to see right there. how the market in ILUS on the last completed 5-day price bar, which started on October the 5th, we saw the market come all the way down to 26 cents. And now we're up there around 39 cents right now. That's pretty good. But take a look at what happened. We got the same type of price bar right here. And look what happened on the following one. We came all the way back down. So what this is resembling is that the market is selling here in ILUS. This is what the market is majorly doing right now. They're selling. Now the question is there enough energy to break that selling to where price will continue to go up? That's the answer that we're trying to find out. Because currently, I'm not that convinced that the market in ILUS is ready to shoot up in price yet. Okay? That doesn't mean that throughout the rest of 2021 that this market is not going to go up. I'm just simply trying to anticipate where we're going to go. And right now, I'm not that convinced that ILUS is ready to shoot up to higher prices right now. I think the brakes is being placed on around 42 cents. Okay? So let me see this on an hourly time frame to see whether or not this market in ILUS really is getting some weakness. Okay? Because I'm not really seeing a weakness neither. This market definitely appreciates how cheap, right, the price of ILUS is as in this particular moment. Kind of lets us know that this market is still trying to be prepared to go up in price. Okay, so let me see this on the 3-hour. And this is pretty much what that market is trying to tell me is that, yeah, there's still some demand here, right? There's still some individuals who is trying to anticipate higher price movement in ILUS. So this is it. I kind of like what's going on here because you guys can tell that this is where the market is trying to prop up price. Okay. So what I'm giving to you also is a consolidation of trading range. Okay. Check that out. This market in ILUS is literally bouncing between these two lines, right? So the expectation would be for us to continue to do that and then eventually break out, or the market in ILUS is going to do what? Break down. That's the outcome. This is what the expectations needs to be. So right now, my expectations is for ILUS to consolidate, trade in between 42 cents, right? Back down to 26. Now, if we get more strength coming to the market in ILUS at 26 cents, I'm telling you already, be prepared for the market to go higher in price. Already, I'm telling you that now. Okay. So currently, the market here in ILUS is still trying to go up. Okay, my only concern is looking at where price is versus to where the restriction point is, right? Which is right there. That's only about 6.8%. I would expect the market to try to get rejected there and come back down, right? So playing this from a short-term basis, yeah, I could see the market in ILUS International go up. But my eyes would be focused in on this restriction point though. We got to pay attention to that. Right there around 42 cents. That can push down the price in ILUS again, which is not, anything to be too worried about because we already identified the support area down to 26, which will see the price decrease 32%, right? So in terms of like coming into the market and buying ILUS right now, I would wait. Okay. Even though I'm still seeing the strength coming to the market in ILUS now, until we see this price break restriction above 42 cents, I won't expect the market to really go too far. Okay. But I'm going to play the strength into the market in ILUS right now. Okay. I'm going to look for it to go up. But like I said, the first area for us to grab the bag is going to be around 42 cents. Got to get it there. Now, let me show you long term where the market in ILUS has gone previously, because there's a lot of price history in the market in ILUS, right? Look at this. The market was trading in this particular space since January 2013, right? There's enough history here for us to see where the market can get some rejection. Okay. Do you guys see this spot right here? All the way back here on the bottom left side of my screen on this chart right there, this 2-month price bar. The market opened right there at 63 cents. Okay, that is where the market opened back in 2013. Okay, I can literally see the price trying to go there in the long term. Okay, because the market in ILUS International has completely taken out all the other restriction points since 2013. Now the next area for us to see that is around 60 cents to 63 cents. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch this back over to the daily, and I'm going to increase that up to around 60 cents. Okay, for us to see the market in ILUS hit 60 cents. That's about 53% away. Okay, now is it going to be a straight shot up? No, it's not. Okay, we're going to expect some bounce, some weakness to the downside to occur, which is why we got some points in between for us to eat off this play. First one, you guys remember, it's right there around 52, right? Next one is at the high that came in on September 28th, which is about 22.5% away. And then third is for us to try to hit that 60-cent price level. Okay, so those are the three levels for us to gauge where price is going to go in ILUS International. And we're going to continue to watch this prediction as long as the market holds support right there around 26 cents. And then ultimately this ascending line. Okay, it's going to be the price prediction. So even if we were to see the market in ILUS drop down to 26 cents, again, it's just going to take us longer for us to hit that 60-cent price. If we break this ascending line though, okay, if it breaks, cut it. The prediction is no longer valid. We will be expecting the market in ILUS to come all the way back down to lower prices, right? At some point, we have to recognize that the prediction that we created is not going the way that we expected it to go. So as of this particular moment, this is our expectations in ILUS. Okay, this is what I'm looking forward to, even though from initially, especially starting next week, we can see the price come down. But the sooner that we grab support, i.e. 35 cents, 30 cents, the better. If we come all the way down to 26 cents, then us hitting 60 cents is less likely to occur. Okay, now that's it. This is what I'm seeing into the market in ILUS International. I am expecting the market to continue to go up in price. That is my prediction. I have given you all some points in between from where the price last traded to us hitting 60 cents as to where we need to be prepared and eat off the market. Now it's your turn. I spent enough time talking about this particular penny stock and as to where the price is anticipated to go. I want to know your perception, your thoughts. What is your price prediction into the market in ILUS International? Do you think that this is one of the best penny stocks right now going on into the market? Just let me know. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.